What's up, sneaker? What are you laughing at? Just say, what's up, world?
Okay. I'm sorry.
What's up, sneakerheads, nerds, and soul collectors? My son and I are here to unbox a special set of shoes. I don't know why he's laughing. Anyway, so we got this massive box right here. Is it in frame? Can we see that? Massive box here from Bait and Reebok. They did a special collaboration. What do you think is in here? What do you think? Alright, well, let's see. Here we go. So Bait did this special collaboration with the Hanna-Barbera Animation Studio. This is for the 80th anniversary of a certain cartoon feline and mouse that came out in 1940. And this box is huge. Holy cannoli. Oh, I think we got the wrong way. That's alright. Let's see. Even better. Dun dun dun.
Dun dun. Oh my god.
Check that out. It's like a whole... Is that even in frame? That is a whole cartoon right there. As you can tell, we got the Tom and Jerry sneaker kit from Reebok and Bait. This is a Bait exclusive. You can get these shoes individually, or you can get them like this.
Oh, that's amazing.
Sorry, you open it up. You got some more cartoons. Pretty sweet. And what's behind door number 2? What? Oh man.
The stuff. We got the stuff.
We got the stuff.
Oh!
Well, that's pretty sweet. Look at that. There's a Reebok Insta Pump Fury. That's fur. How do you like that? Hold on to that one. So we've got a double pair of shoes here. And then, oh, the bottom of the soles are cheese.
And that's offer.
There we go. And there's his little mouse buddy. The Reebok Classics and the Reebok Insta Pump Furies. This is amazing. What do you think so far? What's your favorite pair?
I like the Toms, I think. Yes. Toms.
Why do you like them?
There we go.
They're Reebok? What else? What else?
I like the fur and like.
Fur's pretty sweet, right? You know these are Reebok pumps. Check that out.
So
Got the mouse buddy right there. So we got the fur, we got the highlighter green on there, and we've got the pink that kind of signifies the ears of the cat in this TV show. And when you take this out, look down inside. Ooh, let's see. Can we take this? Oh no, we can't take that sole out. But we've got Tom and Jerry inside sole. That is pretty awesome. I love it. It's very cartoony. It's feeling a little loony. Oh wait, that's a different set. That's a different cartoon. Anyway, so here we go. These are Reebok Classics. They are like a suede material, a coarse suede. What's your favorite part of these?
I like when on the back. The
Bomb.com. The bomb and the whack. Is this what this is?
Yes.
The whack.
Like when somebody whacks you in cartoons, just.
Oh, so it's like the exclamation of them getting hit. I like it. Again, it's got the brown suede right there. The pink kind of giving way to the ear. We got the pink threading in there. Got the pink under the Reebok logo. A little bit of black stitching among. My favorite part is the cheese sole. We know this kid loves cheese, but I put cheese on everything, but this kid just eats cheese out of the box. So that's always fun. Don't mind, you eat cheese out of the box. Oh, look at that. It's a trap. A mouse with cheese. That's pretty sweet. Look at that.
Oh, they both have different.
But wait. Oh, they got different soles? What? They got different soles. You can't pull the sole out, but you can pull that out.
Dude, that's cool. It looks
That
like
is pretty sweet. Well, that would be the exclamation of being on the back, right?
Yeah.
Tom and Jerry. Sweet cartoon. But wait, there's still more inside this box.
There is?
Came with a t-shirt too.
What?
Came with a t-shirt?
Oh, I thought that was a wrapper.
Like M&M?
No.
Oh, you mean like a shoe wrapper?
Yes.
I gotcha.
That looks
Oh, that is pretty cool.
Oh my.
Unfortunately, this shirt only comes in a one size fits all extra large, but this is quite amazing. You can see all the little details. I love this shirt. I don't even care if this is an extra large. I wear a large anyway. I might just have to wear this thing. I'm gonna wear the fur shoes. I'm gonna wear this t-shirt. Anyway, so I'm gonna try these on, get some on-foot shots for you guys. You like doing this unboxing? All right. Alright, so tried these on. They are definitely comfortable. These are a little more stiff than the Reebok Pump Furies. That's kind of a given because they're more of a classic silhouette. Reebok Pump Furies are a different kind of shoe. These air pockets around the top of the foot, around the side of the foot, those are what actually fills up with air. So you kind of feel it getting tighter. It's more of a slip-on shoe than anything. It's not real noticeable when you pump up the air. But it is cool. It's not like the old school Reebok pumps that I still have. But this is a one-of-a-kind collaboration. The packaging is amazing. Bait did another bang-up job on these. My kid loves them. We love them. I think my wife hates them. But that's okay. Because I'm wearing them, not her. She's filming this, by the way. She's probably going to kill me for saying that. So, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and you comment down below. What do you guys think of these shoes? Are they ugly? Are they cool? Are they one of a kind? Are they unique? I know what he thinks, I know what I think, and I definitely know what my wife thinks. Anyway, thanks for watching. Come back here next week for another unboxing.